Hello everyone, my name is Anshuman Sarangi and I am from grade 9th A. Today, I will be preparing mixed veg curry for my father on the occasion of Father's Day. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, we require some paneer cubes, some chopped mushrooms, and paste of ginger, garlic, tomato and cashew, some freshly chopped onions, some freshly chopped capsicum, some freshly chopped potatoes, and some freshly chopped carrot and beans. And we require chili powder, Kashmiri lal mirch, and kasuri methi. So now let's start preparing it. First, put some oil in the pan. Now add all the vegetables and then fry it well. These are some mushrooms. Then put some capsicum. Then add beans and carrot. Now add some potatoes. Fry it until all these vegetables turn into brown color. I'm gonna raise up the flame so that it will cook faster. Now, as you can see, all the vegetables are turned brown. So now, let's remove in this plate. Let's put some more oil to fry the paneer cubes. Now, let's take the paneer cubes. Put it carefully because this hot oil can even damage you. Let's wait until this paneer cubes turn light brown. Gently stir it, otherwise it might even be burned. Now, as you can see, these paneer cubes have turned light brown. So now let me put it out in a plate. Now add some jeera into the same oil which we have used to fry the paneer. Now add some freshly chopped onions into the oil. Fry the onions until it becomes slightly brownish pink. Now, as you can see, the onions have turned slightly brownish pink. Now, we will take the ginger, garlic, tomato and cashew nut paste and put it inside this. Now, add some turmeric, then some red chili powder, some Kashmiri Lal Mirch for some color, and salt according to your taste. Now, after mixing, please make sure that if you want to know whether this paste is ready, this paste must leave oil. If it does not release oil, keep on frying it or stirring it. If it releases oil, add the vegetables. Now, as you can see, this masala started to leave some oil. This shows that the masala has been cooked both inside and the outside very properly. So now let's add all the vegetables which we have fried before. And then mix it well. Now add a cup of water into this mixture. Now let this mixture boil. For this, now we will put a cover or a lid onto this so that this procedure can be completed. Now take some kasuri methi and crush it with your hand and put it inside the curry. Now mix it well. Now for 2 minutes cover the lid. On the occasion of Father's Day.
Is it?
Yes.
Wow, fantastic.